We've got about 2.5 minutes left of trade. We start with the Russell 2000, the intraday chart, because it did start higher. It's actually sold off quite significantly in the afternoon, but those early gains did push the Russell 2000 to a record all-time intraday high. The S&P mid-caps also had an intraday high, but as you can see, those smaller mid-caps have sold off during the course of the session. If we look at all four indices, overall, though, still pretty positive. In fact, the likes of the Dow are near the highs of the day, up 151 points or so on the Dow as we approach the close. It is the best performer of the big indices. The Nasdaq is flat. The S&P is up 0.4%. Quick look at the sectors. The financials, which outperformed significantly yesterday, are towards the bottom of the pack. In fact, they are the only one negative, down 0.4%. Consumer staples up near the top, 1.3%. Telcos up and utilities up. So again, a bit of a reversal of what we saw yesterday. Utilities at the bottom yesterday. Financials were at the top. Let's have a look at a little bit of the individual movers. And we said staples, of course, near the top. PepsiCo reporting strongly. Earnings season is upon us. If they all report like Pepsi, we're going to have a very relaxed quarter of earnings. Pepsi's up about 4%. I mentioned Morgan Stanley because one of the executives, Ted Pick, got a promotion. People suggesting he's now the top pick to replace James Gorman, although not imminently. And I just mentioned the euro and the pound there, Bob, not least because we know that France are now a World Cup finalist. Maybe England will join them tomorrow, but mostly because President Trump is in Brussels and he'll be in the UK come Thursday evening.
Of course, we're watching the Belgian game. People still watching down here, watching the back.
France
they're watching us.
France are through.
They just turned off. Yep. Good thing here is what happened during the day here. 80-some points on the S&P 500 in the last 4 days. That's a big move up. We've got a nice technical pattern slowly moving to the upside. We're about to break through the 2,800. I thought that we'd do it earlier in the day, but we kept falling back. I think the key thing is on your beat there on the banks. We had a great day on the banks yesterday, and it just fell apart here in the middle of the day here. There's the bank, the KBE, up yesterday nicely, and a complete round trip today.
What happened to the Russell in today?
Russell was the exact opposite because that's the play about going out of the small caps into the big caps on the lesser trade worries here. It's just a mirror image of each other.
So the big caps had a good day. As you said, the Dow's up 137 points at the close. Ringing the bell here, the big board. PPG Industries at the Nasdaq is Bell Fuse Inc. That does it for the first hour of the closing bell.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.